Namaste everyone. Let's start with the class. So today we are going to discuss about 11th-Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a Satva Sandhi. What is a Satva Sandhi? We'll see definition and with examples. So the Satva Sandhi is when Nakara is followed by Cha, Cha, Ta, Tha, Ta, Tha. These letters. When Nakara, which is a Padanta Nakara, it should be end of a Padam. Nakara should be at the end of a Padam and followed by Cha, Cha, Ta, Tha, Ta, Tha. These 6 letters. When any of 6 letters, then what will happen? Adesha will happen, the replacement. The replacement at the left hand side. So this Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. This is the replacement. So what is the definition? When Nakara, which is the Padanta Nakara, it means when Nakara is at the end of a Padam and followed by any of these 6 letters, Cha, Cha, Ta, Tha, Ta, Tha, any of these 6 letters, then the replacement will happen at the left hand side. This Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. Along with this, the before Nakara, the letter before Nakara, Anuswara will get added or Anunasika will get added. So it means Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. This is okay. Apart from, along with this, the previous vowel, which is before Nakara, that vowel, for that vowel, Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. I'll repeat what I said. So the definition of Satva Sandhi is the Padanta Nakara. When Padanta Nakara is followed by Cha, Cha, Ta, Tha, Ta, Tha, any of these 6 letters. Then what will happen? Adesha will happen at the left hand side. So left hand side replacement will happen. This Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. And along with this, the previous letter of Nakara, for that Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. That's it. Very simple. Now we'll see that with examples. First example is Tan, Tankaram. These are 2 words. First let's expand Tan, Takara plus A plus Nakara. And what is the expansion for Tankaram? Takara plus A plus Nyakara plus Kakara plus A plus Repa plus A plus Makara. Now what our definitions is? When Nakara is at the end of a Padam. So here Nakara is at the end of a Padam. It is a Padanta Nakara. And if it is followed by Cha, Cha, Ta, Tha, Ta, Tha, these 6 letters, any of these 6 letters. So here in this example, Padanta Nakara is followed by Takara. Now what will happen? Replacement will happen at the left hand side. So this Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. So here Nakara is replaced by Sakara. And along with this change, what is the other change? We said for the previous vowel, Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. This or this, anything. So whether Anuswara or Anunasika. So here the change is, the first change is Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. Along with this, for the previous vowel, which is for A, Anuswara or Anunasika will get added additionally. That's it. And the rest of the letters remain as it is at the left hand side, and the right hand side nothing got changed because it is a left hand side replacement. So here the replacement is only Nakara will be replaced by Sakara, and for the previous vowel, which is A, for that Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. So here there is one more thing in this example. So here see sakara is followed by takara. Here we have a one more change. If you have seen my Vyanjana Sandhi, second Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a Shtutva Sandhi. As per Shtutva Sandhi definition, when sakara comes in contact with shakara or tavarga letter, then what will happen? Sakara will be replaced by shakara. This is the definition of Shtutva Sandhi. Here that change is applicable because here sakara is followed by takara, which is the tavarga letter. So as per our Shtutva Sandhi, that Shtutva Sandhi is applicable here. That's why. So here as per Shtutva Sandhi, what is the change? When this sakara comes in contact with tavarga letter, then sakara will be replaced by shakara. So that's why, see here, this sakara is replaced by shakara as per Shtutva Sandhi, and other letters remain as it is at both ends. Nothing got changed, only replacement is sakara is replaced by shakara. So finally tan plus tankaram became tan tankaram, and here we can write in two forms. Why? Because here anuswara or anunasika will get added, right? So for this anuswara we got tankaram in this form. For anunasika we can write in this form. So any form we can write. So this is the example for this Satva Sandhi. I'll repeat this example once again. So this example is tan plus tankaram. First we expanded the words tan and tankaram, and as per Satva Sandhi definition, when nakara is followed by cha cha, ta tha, ta tha, here nakara is followed by takara. Then what will happen? The replacement will happen at the left hand side. This nakara will be replaced by sakara. And along with this, the previous vowel of nakara will get added for anuswara or anunasika will get added for that vowel. So that's why here the change is sakara and or this anuswara or anunasika got added, and other letters remain as it is at both sides. And here, since sakara is followed by takara, which is a tavarga letter, Shtutva Sandhi happened. Because as per Shtutva Sandhi definition, when sakara comes in contact with tavarga letter, sakara will be replaced by shakara. As since it is applicable here, we are applying that rule also. So here sakara will be replaced by shakara, and all the other letters remain as it is at both sides. Finally, this tan plus tankaram became tan tankaram, and since here it is anuswara or anunasika, our definition says we can add anuswara or anunasika. For that we have two forms. Here after applying anuswara we got this form tan tankaram. After applying anunasika we got this form. That's it. It is little difficult, slightly difficult when compared to other sandhis. So please be very careful for this. We'll see one more example. We'll see simple example now. See here. Gunin plus tara. What is expansion for gunin? Gakara plus u plus nakara plus e plus nakara. What is example for expansion for tara? Takara plus a plus repa plus a. Now what our definition says? Nakara, when nakara is at padanta and followed by cha cha ta tha ta tha, then what will happen? Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. That's it. So here only changes left hand side replacement happened. Nakara is replaced by Sakara at the left hand side. And apart from that, along with that, the previous vowel of Nakara, which is E, for that Anuswara or Anunasika got added. Either this or that, any form we can add. These are the two changes. And the rest of the letters remain as it is at both sides. Here no other rule will apply now, because it is not no other rule is satisfying this example. That's why here we are ending with the form. Gunin plus Tara became Gunintara. Here two forms are there. After applying Anuswara, we got this first form, Gunintara. After applying Anunasika, we got this form, Gunintara. This is a simple example. Now we'll see one more example. This is one more complex example. See this. Etan plus Chatran. What is the expansion for Etan? A plus Takara plus A plus Nakara. What is the expansion for Chatran? Chakara plus A plus Takara plus Repa plus A plus Nakara. Now what our definition says? When Nakara, Padanta Nakara is followed by Chakara, then left hand side replacement will happen. Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. Along with this, for the previous vowel of Nakara, for this A, Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. These are the two changes. And the rest of the letters remain as it is at both sides. Nothing got changed. The only change is this Nakara got replaced by Sakara, and along with this, for the previous vowel of Nakara, Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. These are the two changes. Here one more Sandhi will apply, because here Sakara is followed by Chakara. So as per first Vyanjana Sandhi, we have discussed first Vyanjana Sandhi in the previous class. If you did not see my videos, I have mentioned the Sanskrit class 1, 2, 3 like that in a sequence way. So follow all classes, then only you can understand this. Otherwise it's very difficult for you to understand. So as per first Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a Shutta Sandhi, when Sakara comes in contact with Shakara or Chavarga letter, then what will happen? Left hand side replacement will happen. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. Now this rule is applicable here. See here. Here Sakara is followed by Chavarga letter. That's why we are applying Shutva Sandhi, which is the first Vyanjana Sandhi. So after applying this rule, this Sakara, left hand side replacement, Sakara became Shakara, and the rest of the letters remain as it is at both sides. Nothing got changed apart from this replacement. So finally we can write this as Etan plus Chatran became Etan Chatran, and we got two forms, one with Anunasika, Anuswara and Anunasika, two forms. So this is the last example. We'll see the definition once again. So our definition of Satva Sandhi says, when a word, when Padanta Nakara is followed by cha, ta, tha, any of these 6 consonants, then what will happen? Left hand side replacement will happen. This Nakara will be replaced by Sakara. Along with this, the previous vowel of Nakara, for that vowel, either Anuswara or Anunasika will get added. That's it. And we have seen with examples. So that's it for today's class. In the next class we'll see one more Vyanjana Sandhi. Thank you all for joining. I'll close this class now.